Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor, and this is Made with Unity Mondays for 23rd of August 2021, and I scour the internet for some of the best things crafted in Unity, whether that be games, effects, packages and so much more. Come and submit to me if you have any great submissions, and I'll see about putting you in for next week's video. Be sure to leave a like on this video because it would really help me out. But number one is Tim Bo has the crazy taxi within the style of Blade Runner. The next one is using some of Unity's newer ECS job burst compiler, and this is the Epic Fantasy Battle Simulator by Mutiny Software. User DireDev has remade 3D Slither in Unity. User Soaring Pixels has added pipes, pumps and automatic sensors and switches to their game. Guild Dragon's brother always wanted to be in a video game, so he created them as the blacksmith in their forge. Hatchling has got some ragdoll physics and some fun mechanics. Spline Drew has got the calm skating of rhythm in their survival game. Entertainer has got a handheld device which can take snaps and pictures. Bad Piggy 490 has some Pong combat. User The Dracon has got a multiplayer Harry Potter inspired VR spell dueling. Loop Nova Studio has got an update to their online parkour tag PvP game. Dare Kevin loves to make skate prototypes. Look at his selection here. procedural open world survival game with dynamic seasons by IMTIMG. Did you want to speak to frogs and climb mountains in this cool open world game by Love from Tom? GWY Mid has developed a parkour prototype in about a week and uploaded it to itch.io. User Chill Endplay has got a really cool little loading screen for their new game Paper Tanks. Gleb_T has got a sale shader giveaway for their asset. We might need to kill this with fire by user D setting up. VB3 has get their Void Stones work set for their Kickstarter. Check it out now. Propagand has got their complete sculpting plugin for everything that you can see in Unity. Frost Peak Studio, after 6 months of hard work, they're announcing Skytail, their relaxed city builder. Cho2 the Chur has got an interactable ocean with burst and job system. Last but not least, we've got Danimito, which is their development of a really refined combat and skill system. So be sure to check out all these fantastic games, assets and giveaways. In this video I'll put all the links down in the descriptions for you to check them out. Come and join my Patreon if you want access to all the free scripts projects that I offer from my tutorials. Be sure to come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity store, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.